awesome that you're already recognizing that. How did we go from 1 to 3? What do we need to multiply 1 by? 3. And what do we need to multiply 2 by to get 6? 3. And so what we've done is we've taken this half to get from here, and we've cut each half into how many parts? 3. So that's what it means. When we're multiplying our numerator and our denominator by some number, we're taking those individual pieces and we're cutting them into more pieces. Does that make sense?
Yes.
I see a little bit of hesitation. So let's go from 1 to 4. How do we need to multiply to get from 1 to 4? Times 4, right? And so if you look here at 1/2, and you look here at 4/8, here's half, right? If I want to turn this into 8s, I need to cut each of my halves into how many parts? 4. So now they're in 2, right?
4s.
Now they're in 8s. So in each half, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we are multiplying our numerator and our denominator by a number, what we're doing is we're splitting our original pieces into that many parts. Does that kind of help? Yes, Doc?
I think I know the next fraction.
You know another one equivalent to 1/2? What? 8/16. Let's check with this pattern that Hunter recognized. How do we get from 1 to 8? Times 8, right? How do we get from 2 to 16? So if we can multiply our numerator and our denominator by the same number, we're going to get an equivalent fraction. I can prove it to you by making half and cutting each of my halves into 8 parts. Now it's going to be difficult on a circle. I think Mr. Bowles needs 2 more. Emma and Jada, will you go in there? 2 more? Alright, so when I look at this, I know it's really kind of funky. But let's count to make sure that I cut it correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I do have 8 pieces in each of my halves. So I multiplied each one by 8. And so now if I shaded half, it would indeed be 8/16.